Here we are on holy ground. In this sacred time, we have the ability to return to spirit. We allow our bodies to become still, allow our muscles and joints to relax. And the beautiful thing about this moment is it is ours individually. It is ours collectively. I invite us all into collective breath of awareness. So I invite a complete inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And one more collective breath. Inhale. And exhale. With the power of one heart, one breath, one mind, we meet spirit in the space that is ours, in the space that is without limits. And in our collective energy, we lift our consciousness. In this moment, we are willing to surrender our busy mind. We let our mind be busy, knowing that in every breath, we step into synchronicity with divine wisdom, with divine love, the pure power of divine love. As we invest a moment in reflecting the script of our lives that plays out on the screen before us, we see it with grateful hearts. We see it knowing that our lives, our thoughts, our words, our actions are on purpose. On purpose with divine mind, divine wisdom, the pure power of divine love. Be still, breathing in the rhythm of God. Be still and know. in every breath, in the rhythm of our heartbeat, there is God, there is love, there is one. I am one. I am grateful. And so it is.